I have returned, and still working on this replacing Adobe type thing. So I decided to just do a small update since I have some stuff to show. And what I'm going to show you is that now I have ability to drag on images and move them around. And this is so that they can be traced. So if we go back to draw mode, I can actually sit here and sort of trace the image and then fix things actually. So this can be brought in like this, and then you just yeah, kind of cool. I think that's more like what it's supposed to be. There's still a little bit of tweaking needs to be done. I kind of want edit mode to only show, you know, circles that your mouse is next to, but at the moment, that's not really how it works. But you can also save. Actually, I want to edit one little thing first. Okay, and then I can save it. I'll just save it to the desktop, call it design. If I open it up, there you go. There's the little trace of my hair from the profile picture I have. So I thought another thing I want to talk about a little bit is kind of like what my plans are. Now I know it's a little bit ambitious to be like, and it's hyperbole, to be like, oh, I'm going to replace all Adobe products. Really what I'm just trying to do is, I haven't found a good SVG editor that supports fonts. And I kind of want one. And so when I get a, well, I mean, there's lots of these things out there, but not that I'm really impressed by. They seem to either be, have difficult to use user interfaces. They're either too complicated or they don't have enough good hotkey support. I have my hotkeys listed over here, just drawn out because that's the easiest thing for now. Making buttons would be harder and slower. So yeah, I'm just sort of like doing little improvements. The GitHub link will be in the description, and every, I don't know, either weekly or bi-weekly, I think I'll do an update and show you guys where I'm at. I kind of have the philosophy that when you're working on a passion project, you don't want to exhaust yourself. You want to pace yourself. So I no promises that there will be a ton of progress, but I think it's something where I just keep working on it until it gets done. So yeah.